Hi everyone, this is Adam from ESA Technology. Today we are coming to Midao Warehouse to visit their warehouse tour and the products. Let's go and see it.
Midao Oil Seal was founded since 2007, which is a company specializing in the sale of construction machinery oil seals, gathering oil seals from world's famous factories, with a standing stock of 1,000 varieties. The main service is construction machinery and engineering machinery. And now, you can see different kinds of seal kits on the table. It can provide reliable, high-quality sealing fitment, and the seal kits can protect against grease and dirt getting into engine and shorten gearbox life. What's more, the advantage of the seal kits is highly resistant to heat and chemicals.
Not only that, the company also established a complete supporting service system from pre-sales to after-sales. The ultimate goal of the company is to meet every requirements of every customers and give them a nice shopping experience. Now, you can follow my step and see the warehouse of the company. As you see, we have many products in the warehouse, which means we can deliver the products as soon as it confirms the orders, and the warehouse have many places to storing the products. Alright, that's pretty much about today's video. If you are the repeated customers, thanks for your trusting and your cooperation. If you are the new coming friends, welcome to search our Midao website and be free to contact us in any time.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.